Today we're taking a look at Ethereum's ETH coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see ETH go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Ethereum's ETH coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy ETH or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. Ethereum now is currently sitting at $3,284 and unfortunately has broke our little uptrend that I had put in place. Whilst we didn't have too much data, it is, I suppose, still holding up relatively well. Whilst the uptrend itself probably wasn't going to last, we are still above our key point of support, which is the main thing here, and that key point's at 3,160. So I'm just going to delete this uptrend line here. We don't really need it, and what I'm actually going to put in place as well is a new point of support, and this is a minor point of support given the fact that you can see the past 3 days the price has bounced off it, and it was a bit of a breakout point for it on the 11th of January. So right there is a little point of support moving forward. The key target for us at this point in time right now is to break through this 200-day moving average, and that's still moving up at the moment. It's currently sitting at $3,458. The buying momentum needs to come in to support that, so we start to see it shoot up. Now, hopefully we do see that over the course of today, and we can see a retest of this 200-day moving average. That would be ideal at this point in time. Furthermore, just prior to that, there is also a small point of resistance as well. As you can see on the 13th and the 12th, this was a resistance point, and it was a fall of a support point here, a minor one as well on the 7th of January. So right there, this little channel that we've currently just put in place here is currently our short-term trading channel. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did see a bit of action like this moving forward before a break upwards, but that still remains to be seen. What will be a catalyst for a break upwards is a cross of the MACD. So let's take a quick look at that right now. You can see it's getting very, very close, and I think a lot of people are waiting for the cross and the confirmation of it to make that buy. And Ethereum at this point in time, zooming out, is relatively cheap compared to where it has been over the past 6 months or so. So all in all, it is a good buying price, but people just want to wait for that little bit of confirmation before they pull the trigger and actually commit to it. The EMA of the 12-day crossing above the 26-day EMA will be the catalyst for that to occur. So I'd expect within the next 2 days, we're going to see a nice little uptick in the value of Ethereum. Let's have a quick look as well at the RSI. This will also support that theory. So bringing the RSI up, you can see we were oversold obviously here on the 10th of Jan, but now we're currently sitting at 39.72. We have plenty of room to move upwards. So RSI still low. MACD about to cross. Volume has been, I suppose, reducing relatively from the top end, and we are now starting to see our key points of support, obviously, that were being broken, now being broken back through, and a nice little uptick occur. Hopefully what we do see is all these indicators come together and influence people to start buying Ethereum, therefore driving up its value. The target for today is simply not just to break through this point here, 3419 or 3420, it is to hit that 200-day moving average, currently sitting at 3458. And I'm expecting what we'll see, as I mentioned previously, is something like that until the MACD does break, although it looks like it's about to, so potentially something a bit like this. That wraps up our Ethereum analysis today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.